Hey there, YouTube land. So today, and this actually went a little quicker than I expected, so I figured I better do a really quick video because it was a lot easier than I thought. But changing out the headlight switch because the old one has keeps heating up, shuts off all the lights and everything. So which was a lot, like I said, a lot quicker than I thought it was. Here's the old one already. It actually just took not even 5 minutes. So I haven't put the new one in there yet, but what you do, so the old one, it goes right up in here, right? So you got this little guy, but then there's a pin. Got to remember, when you're taking it out, you got to hold that pin down, and then, oh, where did I lose it? This little guy, he pulls right on out. So kind of wish I had somebody else to hold the camera and stuff to show you guys. But then what you do, all right, so you take the pin, pull that out. You gotta make sure that you're holding that pin down as you're pulling on that guy. All right, so then this actually screws in to keep that on there. It just screws right on that. So then you pull that out, bring it down, and then it's connected right here with this little guy. Two little tabs you got to pull out, and it's a little dirty. Sorry about the focus and everything, guys. So I had to wedge it off a bit because it was kind of stubborn. So that's going to come off like so, and then bada bada boom, new one goes on, back up through, and then boom, all together. So I need 2 hands for this, so I'll be right back. And boom, just like that, back in again already. So yeah, that, like I said, that thing, I thought it'd be a lot harder. Didn't even take 10 minutes to do, actually. The hardest part was just trying to get that connector off. Here's part number, if you guys want part number from Napa, because I work in Napa, so even though I do like O'Reilly still, I gotta admit that. Yeah, so that was a lot faster than I really expected. Like, really, the longest part was just doing the connection. But yeah, let's take a close look at this guy. Like, look at that. But yeah, so what was happening when I had my lights on after a little bit of time, because I've been letting my cousin borrow my car so he could get to work, because he's working on that black Jeep over there. He's rebuilding that. So, but this unit would get hot, and then it starts shorting out, and then all my lights are cut off. So when it's like midnight, when you get off of work, got no lights, that's a big no. Nope. So figured, all right, well, better get that part in real quick, which it took a couple weeks to get in because I had to order it, and it came from Pennsylvania. So it was the only one I could find. The only one they could find, even. So, yeah. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Alright, that works. I forgot to close out the video with making sure that they work. Yeah, it happens. Get a little bit more. Oh yeah.